Questions 1. Which animal can't jump? Elephant. Questions 2. What's the only mammal that can fly? Bat. Press the like and follow my account. Questions 3. Which bird is the fastest in the world? Falcon. Questions 4. What color is a polar bear's skin under its fur? Black. Questions 5. What animal has the longest lifespan? Drop me the correct option in comment section. Question 6. Which animal has fingerprints almost identical to humans? Koala. Question 7. Which creature has 3 hearts? Octopus. Tap follow for daily inspo.